In this class, we discuss different ways of showing information to the user, but you might be confused as to which is the most appropriate for different situations. So here's a quick rundown of when to use each one of the following: notifications, regular activity, always on activity, or watch face. Let's discuss why you'd use one over the other. Notifications are best when you need to get the user's attention right now. You have a picnic coming up in 10 minutes, so you need to do something about this straight away. The information will probably be out of date after an hour. Notifications will cause the wearable to vibrate, ensuring the user then glances at the device to see what they need to know. Regular activities are great when you need to take care of some action right now, such as sending a text message to a friend. You want the activity to take over the whole display, show what you just spoke, send the message, and then disappear. You might also want to get more detail about the weather for the week. You can scroll through a list to see what the temperatures are for each day, but this is not something you want to always be visible when the user is busy doing other things. These regular activities will disappear when the watch goes into ambient mode, and the default watch face will then be shown. Always-on activities are special because when the watch goes into ambient mode after a timeout, the app continues to run, but the display goes into a low power mode. The app draws itself with much lower detail, so it looks good with a reduced number of pixels illuminated. This would be great for a navigation app. When the user is not looking at the display, the user saves power, but the interface is ready to be resumed, to this one here, whenever the user wakes it up. The user can dismiss the Always On app when they have finished the task they're performing, but then they can control how long this task happens for. And finally, there are watch faces. These are selected by the user as the default watch face, and the wearable shows this whenever there is nothing else to show. The user is going to be glancing at this all day to find out what time it is and what important things there are that are going on in their lives.